Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a recipe that combines two of my favorite things, health and deliciousness. We're making healthy crispy fried squash. First up, let's talk squash. Not only is it low in calories, but it's packed with vitamins like A and C, which are great for your skin and immune system. Now to keep our fried squash on the healthier side, we're going to use a secret ingredient instead of the usual heaps of oil. Can you guess what it is? It's sparkling water. This little trick helps create a light, crunchy batter without all the grease. Alright, let's dive into the recipe. You'll need some fresh squash, obviously. Cut it into thin slices. This helps them get that perfect crispy texture. Next, for our batter, mix whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and paprika to a kick. Slowly add the sparkling water while stirring. You want the consistency to be like pancake batter, not too thick, not too runny. Heat up a skillet on medium heat and brush it with a bit of olive oil. Dip your squash slices into the batter. Make sure they're nicely coated, and then lay them on the skillet. Put them aside. Fold them over. Just bake about 2 minutes each side. Serve these golden brown with a side of marinara sauce or your favorite dipping sauce. They make a perfect snack or a side dish for your meals. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, Jesus loves you. See you in the next video.